What's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be learning how to play Creep by Radiohead on this thing, the ukulele. So first things first, make sure your uke is in tune. Perfect. So this song is pretty easy in that it only has 4 chords, and those chords are G, B, C, and then finally C minor. So if you do know how to play those chords, you don't want to sit through how to actually learn how to play them, I'll put a timestamp right here where you can skip ahead to the section that you want. But if you don't know how to play those chords, don't worry, I'm here to teach you. So I'm going to refer to strings as first string, which is this one right here, second string, third string, and fourth string. And then frets are these little notches right here that you see on your ukulele. So they go all the way down to first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. So take your fingers and make sure they're all stretched out first. And then also what you want to do is take your pointer finger, this one right here, and put it on the second string, second fret. Take your middle finger and you want to put it on the fourth string, second fret. And then you want to take your ring finger and you want to put it on the third string, third fret, and that's how you play the G. So the second chord that we want to learn is the B chord, and it might look a little bit intimidating, but it really isn't, and it sounds like this. So how we're going to actually play this is we're going to take our pointer finger and we're going to go onto the third and fourth string on the second fret. So you kind of just want to take this part and go over both third and fourth string on the second fret. Then you want to take your middle finger and you want to go on the second string, third fret. That's third fret. And then you want to take your middle ring finger, this one right here, your ring finger, and you want to put it on the first string, fourth fret. I can't count today, but that's how you're going to play it. And this one is definitely a little bit more tricky one. You definitely want to get practice this one more because it is a little bit of an awkward placement, but honestly just practice for a little bit and you'll start to get a hang of it and your fingers will really start to memorize the positioning. But yeah, this is the hardest one. Don't worry, it doesn't get any harder than this, but it has a really cool sound to it. So the next chord that we're going to learn is the C chord, and that is super easy. I like to play it with my middle finger, and what you're going to do is you're going to put your middle finger on the fourth string, third fret, and that's it. And the last chord that we're going to learn is the C minor chord, and how I like to play it is I just like to take my pointer finger and I like to go over the second, third, and fourth string on the third fret. So just basically almost like you're barring a chord, but you want to leave the first string open, and then it sounds like this. So now that we've gone through the chords, I encourage you to pause the video if you're new to these chords and just really practice with your finger positioning and just making sure that it sounds just clear. And then that's the B, obviously, and you just kind of want to play with getting your fingers to go in the right places and just really feel comfortable with, especially with the B chord. I think that took me a little bit, just take some practice, but you'll get it. So now we're going to go into the chord progression, and it is actually pretty easy. It's the same throughout the entire song. So the first chord you're going to play is the G, and then we're going to go to the B, and then we're going to go to the C, and finally C minor. And that's throughout the entire song. So it's pretty easy to, really memorize the entire song because it really doesn't change at all. So G, B, C, C minor. So now that we know the chord progression and the chords, we're going to go into strumming. And if you've watched any of my covers previously of this song, I'll link them up here. You'll know that I did one which is strumming and then one with sort of a finger pluck. I really like how they both sound, but it's just really up to you. I can give you both versions if you'd like. So the first version that I would suggest if you're starting new is the strumming pattern. So I'm going to start with the G chord, and the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's going to be for each chord. You're going to do that twice. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then you're going to change to the B. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then C. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then C minor. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So with the strumming, I also want to do the tempo of it. So we're going to just do the sequence. I'm not going to be singing for this part, but I'm going to be playing, strumming, and making sure that we get the tempo right. So we're going to start with the G. So in 3, 2, 1. Then B. C. C minor. We're going to do it again. The G, B, C, C minor. Do it one more time. The G, B, C, C minor. So make sure to be comfortable with the transitioning of the chords to strumming, and then we'll get right into the play along. Alright, so we've made it to the play along section. So to make it a little bit comfortable and you don't have to really look around, I'm going to put the chords right up here in the sequence, G, B, C, C minor. And then also right down here, I will have the lyrics and then also the chords above whenever you should start playing them. So without further ado, let's get on with the play along. In 3, 2, 1. When you were here before, can look you in the eyes. You look like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. And you float like a feather in a beautiful world. You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here, and I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. And I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I don't know if I was wanted to go further or not, but I think you get the gist of how it should go. But anyways, that is it for this tutorial. If you did like it, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you're new here and you haven't hit the subscribe button, it looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray. If you want to turn on the bell notification so you know every single time I upload a video, that would be great. Also, leave a comment below letting me know if this actually helped you. Let me know if you did a cover from this tutorial. I would love to hear it. I would love to watch it and just really see how you give it a spin on this song. And finally, I know there's a lot of things that I'm asking you to do, but trust me, this is it. Leave a comment below letting me know if you liked it. Also, leave a comment letting me know if you have any song requests that you want to learn, that you want me to try and attempt to learn and to show you how I would play it. Leave them in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here and us learning together. I think this is so much fun, and the ukulele is such a great instrument. Yes, I am hugging my ukulele. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.